missing DNA report leads to a mistrial in a double murder trial. Two brothers accused of gunning down two other men during a dice game on DIP. The brothers' lawyers complain they never saw that report before it was revealed in court. Fox News' Brendan Kirby now joining us here in studio with more on this. And Brendan, this ruling coming just as closing arguments were set to start.
Yeah, that's right, Byron. Mobile County Circuit Judge Vicki Davis had taken this request under advisement, but she determined that she had no choice but to declare the mistrial. An argument over a dice game on Dauphin Island Parkway in March 2019 sparked a shootout that left two people dead, Willie Moffitt and Carlos Cunningham, and sent three to the hospital with injuries. Two Mobile men went on trial this week, 38-year-old Jerome Marquise Williams and his 34-year-old brother, Cedric Cortez Williams. Their lawyers objected to testimony from a DNA expert because they'd never received his report. Mobile County District Attorney Keith Blackwood says it was an innocent mistake.
There was no prosecutorial misconduct in the case, and the prosecutors believed that it had been turned over. Now I'll say this, we do not hide evidence, and our prosecutors here, they do not hide the ball.
Claude Patton, the lawyer representing Jerome Williams, says when the case is retried, he'll have his own DNA expert.
The one piece of evidence in this entire case that stretched out for over 3 days that would go anywhere close to convicting my client was that one piece of little DNA evidence. And we didn't know about it, and we couldn't defend it because we didn't know about it.
James Bird, the attorney representing Cedric Williams, says his client didn't shoot anybody.
There were 15 or 20 people there with 15 or 20 different guns, and their bullets were fired from everybody in every direction.
Patton says the shooting resulted from a dispute between his client and Moffitt.
But before he could put his money on the table, the guy they were betting on crapped out. But Moffitt still felt like my client should have paid him anyway. My client said my money wasn't down on the table. See, they didn't understand each other's rules. And then they went out back. When they went out back, shooting broke out.
There will be a do-over in this case, the judge setting the date for the retrial in May. That'll give the defense plenty of time to review the DNA report. Reporting live from the News Center, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.